First, remove this shell. Hold the mirror and bracket and turn it left. Remove the mirror. Assemble the bracket and the main unit. Remove the 2 plug covers. Pass the 3 wires on the back of the host through the 2 holes in turn. Remove the yellow piece from the original bracket and install it on our bracket. When removing this lens, we need to push up. Push up this plastic piece, then push it outwards. Then it can be removed. Push up this plastic piece. Before unplugging the original plug, turn off the engine and remove power. Then install the lens assembly. Then align it with the base, and turn it to the right for installation. Stow the wire bundle into the roof gap. Pry open the upper cover plate at the steering wheel. Unscrew the screw on the left side of the steering wheel. There is another one on the right. There is also one at the bottom of the lower cover. Remove the cover. After turning off the ignition, pull out the white plug here. There are 2 interfaces here. Then plug the one you just unplugged into here. Plug this into the original car. This adapter. Just plug it in. Then plug this adapter into here. Pull down the rubber strip. Remove the side cover. Unscrew the screws inside this cover. Break open the A-pillar cover. Pass the other end of the wire through from here to the side. And then from the gap between the airbag and the A-pillar and pass through the gap to the inside. Connect the plug, store the wire harness. Then route the wire down along the gap of the A-pillar. Install the rubber strip inside cover plate. Use a tie to store the excess wiring here. Put the cover back. The rear camera extension cable is in the same way. Install the A-pillar cover. And install the original shell. The other end goes through the gap of the rubber strip through the inner B-pillar to the rear of the car. Pull out both ends of the soft rubber tube. Continue threading the wire up. Remove the tailgate cover. Unscrew 4 screws. There is one on each side of the cover. And a cross screw on each edge. Pass the wire off. After turning off the engine and powering down, pull out the plug connected here. Pry open the clip, remove the spoiler. Above the raised part here, wipe the adhesive promoter, paste the rear camera. The rear camera line passes through this cover plate. And then through this rubber ring. Pass through the inside, put the rubber ring back. Install the tail wing. Connect the plug and store the wires. And put back the cover.